here than what we've done before?
An equals number, which means it's going to be.
Yeah, there's an equal sign. So what is it called when it has an equal sign? Equation. So the things that we've been working with up until this point have been expressions because there's no equal sign. Now with an equation, there's something different that we can do to help solve it. So anybody have any idea what we might want to do first?
We want to get the denominator.
Good. We want to get a common denominator. What would the common denominator be?
Just 10.
10. So my least common denominator is 10. And so what would I multiply the numerator and denominator by on this first fraction? 2. So 2 times x, 2 times 5. Nothing on the second one. What's the denominator assumed to be on the last one? 1. So we multiply top and bottom. That was what you were thinking. What to multiply top and bottom by? Multiply top and bottom by 10. So we're going to get 2x over 10 plus 3x over 10 equals 20 over 10. We don't want those denominators. We don't like fractions. So anybody have any idea what we might be able to do to get rid of the fraction?
I got you.
Yeah.
Oh, we can turn that into a 2. I guess not.
You can actually, you can.
Hey, Dad.
No, but 20%.
So we're going to do something to both sides of the equation. What is it that we're going to do to both sides of the equation to get rid of the fraction? Multiply by?
That's a good idea.
10. That's right. So we're going to multiply both sides by 10. So we're multiplying this side by 10 and this side by 10.
That's what Aiden said.
So when we do that, you said something about 2.
Yeah, no, 20 over 10 equals 2.
He said it. I knew he said it.
Oh, yeah, no, we don't want to do that. We did this so that we can get a common denominator.
Okay.
Yeah.
That would come with the denominator though.
So, but we didn't before. So that's why we made it 20 over 10.
He was thinking it was close.
So now we can cancel the denominators. This cancels with both of these because it's on this whole side. And we get 2x plus 3x is 20. So now, this group here, tell me what we would do next.
You combine the 2x and 3x and get 5x, and then you divide by 5, so you get 4.
And what do you get, Will?
X is equal to 4.
Good. Okay, I'm going to show you another way to do this. I don't care which way you do it. I will usually do this way that I did here because more students seem to understand that. But if you like to do it this other way, you're welcome to do it this other way. So this same problem, so my least common denominator is 10. So what I can do is I can right away multiply both sides by 10. So I'm going to write it on both of these because that's multiplying that side by 10. And I'm going to write it on this one. So how many 5s in 10? 2. So this becomes 2x. The 10s cancel. And this becomes 3x. And then 2 times 10 is 20. So yeah, fewer steps. So if you like that way, you can do it that way. So then we get 5x is 20. And sometimes it kind of depends on the problem. It might be that this problem is easier to do it that way. Okay, so number 2, what's my least common denominator?
Your least common denominator is 6.
Yes. So if my least common denominator is 6, then what would I multiply the top and bottom of this one by? 2.
Oh, that's where Aiden got the 2 from.
What about the 1/2? 3.
Right?
Yeah.
And then do we need to multiply anything on the 5x over 6?
No.
No. So we get, when we have this 2 times x plus 5, we have to do what with the 2 and the x plus 5? Distribute. Good vocabulary. So 2x plus 10 over 6 equals 3 over 6 plus 5x over 6. So back to this group again. What do we do next to solve it? Multiply by 6 on both sides. Get rid of that denominator. And when we do that, what happens? Yep. Yep. So 2x plus 10 equals 3 plus 5x. So this group back here, what would we do next to solve that? Good, good. Vocabulary. How would we combine the like terms?
What's up, Yuba?
Thank you.
Yo, what do you do to you, bro?
Okay, so how do we combine like terms? So we're going to subtract. So that's not wrong. I just like to get the x's together first. Good. Just because sometimes it can create an extra step if we don't do that. So we get 10 equals 3 plus 3x. And then what next? Yep. So 7 equals 3x, and then 5 by 3. X is 7 over 3. So go ahead and do the U try.
What's that?
Number 3.
I don't know what it means. I have a question, Mr. Summer. How do you do the point? I could really cross multiply. Then how can I do on this one too? Since I have that, how do I do that?
Yeah,
So
but
we
it's
do
like,
2 times, it becomes like 12 times x squared.
yeah, but like the other problems, there's no big no.
All right, then I can think about it.
On this one, how would you do the thing out there? Because since this is here, so. How would you, so just be 3 plus 2, or 2 plus 2.
So you don't have this one. You get so you need that. So 3 is 3 plus 3 goes to 6. 2.
You can answer your
Okay.
What kind of assessment? But I don't know if I trust the answer.
What's 8 times 6?
48.
Is the answer going to be 9.6?
What'd you get?
Yeah, 9.6. X was 9.6.
I got 8.
Maybe you did it wrong.
Number 4, right? Oh, number 3. Yeah. 48 over 5.
Oh, yeah, so we multiply X out.
Sorry, I'm looking at number 4. Number 4 is 8.
We'll go over there. We're all over there, so I might as well come over too.
What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
I think a typewriter. That's a blood clot.
David?
It's supposed to spell out blood. Like this finger, like this, and like this finger on top, like you know, like long ass fingers. Oh yeah.
Okay, you should have done 48 over 5 on that answer. Okay, number 4. What is the fastest way to solve this on number 4? I can't think. What would be the fastest way? Sophia.
They do not look good.
Do what?
Times like m minus -1.
So no. There's a faster way. I thought you might see it. Cross multiply. So remember, when you have a fraction equal to a fraction, you can cross multiply. So we can multiply these two and set them equal to these two multiplied together.
It's not how you cross multiply. Like with 6. It's actually aggressive. If you cross multiply with 6 cubed,
Numerator, bro.
That's a good question though.
There isn't a 6 here. So when we cross multiply, what we get is we take that product, 2 times 3 is 6, and we set it equal to 5 times m minus 2. I'll write it as 2 times 3. Okay, so 6 equals 5m minus 10. That's all right. If you had a question, I'm okay with that. Okay, I need you guys to stop getting up and moving around. Getting up and moving around. So now, what do we do next to solve that? Plus 10. 16 equals 5m, and divide by 5. M equals 16 over 5.
Is that the last one?
It stayed on. Okay, we're going to do 5 is going to be the last one. Okay, so what's our least common denominator on number 5?
You get 6.
6. So this group here, tell me what I would multiply the top and bottom by on this first fraction. 2. And what about the 5?
That's when we go with over 1 first and have to. 6.
Yes. And what about this one here? 3. Good. Okay, stop. So we're distributing here. We have 2m plus 4 over 6 minus 30 over 6. And then distributing, 2x, thank you. And then this is going to give us a 12x minus 9 over 6. And then somebody else this week. What would our next step be? Henry knows. We're going to do something with the 6. So we're going to multiply both sides by 6. Which is essentially canceling them. So we get 2x plus 4 minus 30 equals 12x minus 9. And then yeah. Yep. Equals 12x minus 9. And then what next? Good. Push that over here. So negative 26 is 10x minus 9. And the last two steps. Yep. And we get negative 17 is 10x. And we get x equals negative 17